Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 1, first of all, my name is Syahnia Frani Lukman.
My name is Masalia Putri.
My name is Rafifa.
My name is Sulan Permatasari.
My name is Muhammad Arkan Brawan.
My name is Muhammad Zain Abdul Fatah.
And today we will be presenting about business letter, which is invoice, credit notes, and terms of payments. Alright, I will be explaining about the subject. Number 1 is the invoice. An invoice is a document issued by the seller and as proof of a transaction with the buyer. Or in other words, an invoice is a list of bills from the seller to the buyer. And number 2, there is credit notes. A credit note, also known as a credit note or credit memo, is a document issued by a seller to a buyer to reduce the amount of payable by the buyer. Credit notes are usually issued in the following situations. And number 3 is terms of payment. The meaning of term of payment is the terms of payment or can be considered as ways of paying for something, usually also known as term or payment or term payments. Another term is due to payment. Term of payment is the method or way of payment agreed between the buyer and the seller in a transaction. This payment can be in the form of cash, check, credit card, and even bank transfer. Alright, next will be explained by Marsha about how to make.
How to make invoice. Top section. In this section include the title with its invoice. This title is important so that you and the buyer know that this document is an invoice, so that it is not confused with other document. Company name. The company name can be inserted on the invoice header. Also include the company logo, invoice number, name of the seller and buyer, date of transaction, delivery destination. In sector section, you can create a table that contains number, product name, quantity of each product, description, price or unit, product total price, and insert a line for VAT. Bottom section. At the bottom, you can include shipping cost. If you are sending the good via expedition service, you can write the details of the shipping cost, including the weight of the destination of the package. Other costs such as insurance, total payment, when all the costs are clearly listed, you can add them up as the total payment. At the end, indicate the place, date, signature, and full name of the client. Credit notes. Credit notes are usually created using a standard format that includes the following information. Credit note number, a unique number used to identify the credit note. Date, the date the credit note was issued. Seller name, the name of the company that issued the credit note. Buyer name, the name of the company that received the credit note. Invoice number, the invoice number that the credit note applies to. Description, a summary of the reason the credit note was issued. Amount, the amount of credit granted. Signature, the signature of the party issuing the credit note components.
Next, I will explain about the component invoice, date of transaction, so that every process of buying and selling transaction can be recorded clearly. Invoice number, the format of the number depends on the company. This number is very important because the invoice will be kept as an archive. Name of the seller and buyer. The seller's name can be the name of the sales respondent who sold the item. Product details, either goods or service. Discount or if any, sales and purchase tax that must be paid by the buyer. Signature and clear name of the selling company. Credit notes header. This section contains general information about the credit notes, such as the credit note number, date, seller's name, buyer's name, and invoice number. Description. This section explains why the credit notes was issued. Amounts. This section shows the amount of credit granted. Footer. This section contains the signature of the party issuing the credit notes.
I explain about type invoice. Number one,
date of transaction so that every process of buying and selling transaction can be recorded clearly. 2. Invoice number. The format of the number depends on the company. This number is very important because the invoice will be kept and as an archive. 3. Name of the seller and buyer. The seller name can be the name of the salesperson who sold the item. 4. Product detail. Either good or service. 5. Discount if any. 6. Sales and purchase tax that must be paid by the buyer. And last, signature and clear name of the selling company.
Terms of payment. Cash before delivery. This method requires buyers to pay for the product they buy first before the goods are delivered. This type of term of payment is usually done in transactions with products that are not too expensive. You can find this method in marketplace or another online store. Cash on delivery. COD is currently a very common thing and has been widely known and favored by many people. This term is familiar to customers who like to shop online. As we know, COD is method payment that is made when the goods are received by the buyer. Customers will pay directly to the courier or seller when the goods arrive. Cash in advance. This payment method is done by the way buyer will send the money to seller. Then the seller will send the goods. The means that the seller will not send the goods to customers if the customer has not paid the agreed amount of money. Need the days. This is method used by a company when the buyer will make the maximum payment on the day the goods are received. This means that the buyer must pay off the payment with a few days according to the review. Net end of month. This method is used to make payment that must be paid at the end of the month. For example, net EOM 30, then the payment must be paid with a maturity of 30 days from the end of the month.
Example for voice, and there is in credit notes that there is the form payment.
Alright, that is all from us. If there is a mistake, please forgive us. Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.